Birds of a feather. D is in the move 2 black keys. Bring your thumb back to C. Then go from C, D, E, F, G, C to G, little finger, so thumb to little finger. Then move your thumb back to get to a B note. And then back to the G. And alternate between those. So you're going to go C, G, C, B, G, B. And you can do that throughout the song, or if you want you can add a left hand bass part. So I'm going to play C, then go down to A, up to D, then to G. I'll play that in the background, 1 bar each left hand note, while I play the right hand, so I get this.